What if one ancient natural ingredient could help cool your body, improve digestion, support glowing skin, and keep you hydrated? Gond Katira, also known as gum Tragacanth, has been used for centuries in traditional wellness drinks. But what actually happens to your body when you consume it daily? Let's find out. Gond Katira is a natural edible gum that swells in water and forms a jelly-like texture. It's especially popular during summer because of its cooling properties and refreshing effect on the body. And surprisingly, it may offer several health benefits. 1. Helps cool down the body. One of the most famous benefits of Gond Katira is its cooling effect. Many people consume it during hot weather to help the body stay cool and refreshed. That's why it's often added to summer drinks, milk, and desserts. 2. May support digestion. Gond Katira contains natural fiber-like properties that may help digestion. Some people use it to help reduce constipation and support smoother bowel movements. It may also help you feel lighter and less bloated. 3. Helps keep you hydrated. Because Gond Katira absorbs water and forms a gel texture, it may help your body stay hydrated longer. This can be especially useful during hot summer days or after physical activity. 4. May support healthy skin. Many people believe Gond Katira helps support healthier-looking skin due to its cooling and hydrating effects. Hydration plays an important role in maintaining fresh and glowing skin. 5. May help with energy and weakness. In traditional wellness routines, Gond Katira is often consumed with milk or healthy drinks to help fight weakness and fatigue. Some people feel more refreshed and energetic after including it in their diet. 6. Supports a healthy summer routine. Sometimes simple traditional habits can make a big difference. Adding natural cooling foods and staying hydrated may help your body feel better during extreme heat. Gond Katira is one of those simple wellness ingredients many people still use today. Important reminder: always soak Gond Katira properly before consuming it. Eating too much may cause stomach discomfort in some people. And if you have any medical condition or allergies, consult a healthcare professional before adding it regularly to your diet. So these were some possible benefits of drinking Gond Katira water daily. Ancient ingredient, powerful effects. Would you try it this summer? Comment below and let us know. And subscribe for more health and wellness videos.